This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. It's Tuesday, June 1st. When Denis Villeneuve's Dune debuts on HBO Max later this year, it won't be the first movie adaptation of Frank Herbert's seminal science fiction novel. Such that it is, that distinction belongs to David Lynch's 1984 film of the same name. Dune was a critical and commercial failure. It failed to recoup its $40 million budget at the box office, and critics like Roger Ebert hated it. But for all its faults, the movie has built something of a cult following over the years, and come August 31st, Arrow Films will re-release Lynch's worst film on 4K Blu-ray in the US, UK, and Canada. As Slash Film points out, Arrow will offer Dune in standard and deluxe edition formats. The latter comes with an additional disc and a steel case. Whichever one you go with, you'll get extras like a fold-out poster and postcard-sized lobby cards. As for the movie itself, it's a 4K restoration from the original camera negative with support for both Dolby Vision and HDR10. You can listen to the original audio in either uncompressed stereo or DTS HD. Say what you will about the rest of the film, that Toto soundtrack still slaps. New special features include audio commentary tracks by film historian Paul M. Salmon and projection booth podcast host Mike White. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like Arrow convinced Lynch to record a commentary track. The director distanced himself from the project shortly after it hit movie theaters. However, the company says the list of special features could change between now and release. Dune is available to pre-order starting today for £25. And one of Google's numerous efforts to speed up the internet is now available to everyone. CNET reports that the Internet Engineering Task Force has published Google's Quic UDP Internet Connections as an official Internet standard, signaling that the faster data transmission technology is sufficiently well established to be used on a broad level. The tech is effectively a replacement for TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, which manages how data is placed into addressed packets, routed, and returned to usable info. Quic uses the faster UDP, User Datagram Protocol, while also boasting faster recovery. It also provides faster encrypted connections and better handling of network switches. Your secure website visits, audio-visual chats, and mobile browsing should see some of the largest improvements, in other words. This has been a long time in coming. Google first introduced Quic as an experimental Chrome add-on in June 2013 and quickly made it the primary approach to transporting data from apps like Chrome to Google servers. The company submitted Quic to the IETF for standard consideration in 2016. Whether or not Quic finds widespread adoption is another matter. While it's now a standard anyone can use, there might not be a rush to ditch TCP given that it has been available since 1974. You might see Quic spread gradually among companies and services that could benefit from the added speed, but a wholesale transition might not happen for a long time, if at all. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
Spoken Layer.